What's up, fellas? It's Chuck back again with Chuck's Hobby Spot. And I thought I'd do a quick stash update because this past Friday I came home from work and I went up to Andy's and picked up a couple kits and I added a couple kits to the stash, and then I picked up a couple even more, and I went to our club meeting on Saturday and we had a kit exchange, so I got another kit also. So anyway, I wanted to show you what I got. This kit is super awesome and I will do a kit review on it, so stay tuned for the near future, and you guys can see what the Meng Ford GT40, the MK266 is going to be like. I went through it just a little bit and it is insane clean, guys. I mean, this is like next level clean. So just so you guys can see a little bit of it, but man, I can't wait to build this. I've got the trumpeter one, you know, the large scale trumpeter. I don't know if I can zoom out anymore, but yeah, this thing is super clean, and we will do a kit review on that. I also picked this up. It has the Galaxy, the altered wheelbase Falcon, and the trailer. So this is going to be a neat kit. I basically bought it I bought it because I like Galaxies, but I actually own a Falcon, so and of course I'm gonna have to buy it. You know, it's kind of my genre, so we'll do an open kit review on this too, because I know some people probably want to see this one. It's pretty cool. So upside down. Anyway, so I did get that, and I got this torque trike a friend of mine got me, and I want to build a few of these things. So I got this. I have the taco trike. Okay. I've got the milk trike, which looks kind of cool. Okay. And I got the mailbox trike. So I've got 4 of them, and we're gonna do some trikes coming up in the next year. So I got those. I also got this just for a quick little 1/32 scale kit. I figured I'd do something kind of cool, but this is a little ways in the future. I've got a few things I gotta come before this. And what I got at the club meeting was this. So we all have 1 year to build it, and I'm gonna enjoy building this thing. I've been eyeballing this thing for a while, and man, the things I can do with this kit. I don't even know what I want to do with it. I mean, there's so many things you can do to this. You can make a lowrider out of it. You can make a nice muscle car out of it. I mean, you can pro street this. It's endless. It's awesome. This and the Grand National, I wanted to build in the future, but this here, I guess I kind of have to build this one because everybody else is going to be building it in the club. So not this particular one, but whatever they got. And if you guys want to see what everybody got, go check out Matt's video. It's probably the second to last video he might have done. And you guys can... Oh, another cool thing in that video that Matt did was Chris Sobek's funny car. Oh yeah, that thing's nice. You guys have to see that video. So I'm going to send you guys right over to Matt's video and check that out. And I think it's on the thumbnail. That's a super awesome build. And you get to see what everybody got gifted in the gift exchange. So you guys can see what everybody's gonna be building. What do you know? All right, well, that is what this video entails here. So I'll just set this down here. And I have been working on my stuff here. I've been painting and more painting and more painting. And this is for the 40 Ford. I don't know if you guys can see the wood grain I did. I still got to do the bare metal foil on her. You know, I've been just painting. I don't know, quick little check it out kind of video. But that's about all I have. A little bit of hood stuff going on. So I'm gonna get to work on this 40 Ford, and that's about it for this video, guys. I'm glad you guys stopped by for a little bit more of this crap, and I don't know why you guys watch this crap, but you do, and I'm glad. And I guess that's the end of this video. You guys all take care. And oh, don't forget to stop by Scale Finishes and punch in that Chuck's 10, and you guys get a discount, so that'd be great. You guys all take care. Have a good one. And talk to you on the next vid. Bye.